Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we're going to talk teaser on your C-Shaper.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So the Pilates teaser is something that you can do in a lot of different places, a lot of different equipment, and it's also the one that people think is like this peak pose you're supposed to be able to get. Guess what? Teaser is a barometer. It's a temp check. It's a feedback organizer. It's going to let you know where you have work to do in your practice, okay? Doing it on the C-Shaper is quite nice because one, you don't have to go all the way down and all the way up. You just go to the C-Shaper and come back up. But two, that does make it a little bit harder sometimes because what? No momentum. No momentum, but I love using the C-Shaper because it's the reverse of the arches of the barrel. So while the spine corrector, lateral barrel, small barrel helps teach us a supported extension, this helps teach us a supported flexion, which is why I put these two, the C-Shaper in the barrels deck, because it's a reverse barrel. And the barrels deck is this really great teaching tool of apparatus. So if you don't have the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcard deck yet, I hope you get it. I hope you check out all of our flashcards. We have several different decks, and they can really help you nerd out with your practice. And also lesson plan, session plan, class plan, all those things. So let me know how you use your decks in the comments below. Let's get into teaser. So you want to actually, you can start up like from your open leg rocker. That would be fine. I kind of like to find my position that I like for my ab series. If I go too low, it's slouchy and a little hard for me. And if I go too high, then it's obviously going to be a little too archy for me. So I got to find a spot that works for me. And then I try to get my toes in line with my eyes. And I reach my arms forward. So it's like I did a roll up off the C-Shaper, but now my legs are elevated. So you're combining the legs from the 100 with your roll up back, right? Then I'm going to lift my arms up, pull my waist back, try to touch my lower back to the C-Shaper before my upper back. So I know I have the longest round shape and I'm not slouching. And then my arms come up and forward and I reach, find my teaser, lift my arms from my back. I'm going to pull my lower waist back even more this time because I cheated myself a little bit on the last one. And that's what's so nice. We have 3 reps to kind of let us know what's going on. Then I can come up here and I can lower and lift my legs. So I'm not going to get my legs to the floor because of that little lip there, but it's going to keep me from dropping them for sure. Then I can take everything down, everything up, everything down, everything up, everything down, everything up. Touch your toes. Just kidding. You don't have to do that. But it's a fun place to practice because, again, you're not going all the way to the floor, where a lot of us take a break. And when we take a break in our teaser, it makes it really hard to pull it all back together and come back up. So this kind of helps you stay in that action, stay in those connections without resting. I mean, you can. That'd be cheating. And you wouldn't be able to get back up. So I would love to know if you like teaser here on the C-Shaper, what it revealed to you in your body. You could put it in the comments below. If you have any questions, drop those down there as well. I go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. If you're an OPC member, we answer your questions in the members only community, so you can ask me there. I can even look at your form on the C-Shaper. While we don't have classes on the C-Shaper, I can still look at your form, and you can use the C-Shaper as a great warm-up for our mat and reformer weekly classes or any of our monthly classes as well. Thank you so much. If you want to check out OPC, go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. Have an amazing day.